How to fix your speaker not working on iPhone after updated iOS 17.6. If your iPhone ear speaker is not working, then here is a complete step-by-step guide to get your audio working again. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Then scroll down and tap on the Bluetooth option available there. And make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off. Your iPhone might be routing audio to Bluetooth earbuds or a car system. So now, once the Bluetooth is turned off, all you have to do is check the ear speaker volume during call. Make a call and press the volume up button to increase the in-call volume. Make sure it is not muted or on a speaker mode. Also, simply drag down the control center from the top right. Then make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. Now after all that, go back to the Settings app and simply tap on the General option available in there. Then scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on the Reset. Then tap on Reset All Settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.